Hey guys, welcome to Kela Adventure. So today is our first face off and we are going to conduct this trekking on Khandova Mandir. So this is Yogesh here and I'm introducing my counterpart Umesh.
Hi guys, this is Umesh.
So let's see how this trekking goes on because Umesh will be going through a unusual way and I'll be trekking through a usual way. And our objective is to reach on top first. So let's start the race.
Hi guys, this is Umesh and we will be having a first face off between me and Yogesh starting in a moment. Probably you would be able to see the top of the Khandova Mandir that we have there. So I would be taking a small trail that you can see from here, and Yogesh would be taking the usual
So guys, this is the regular way through which usually people track on this temple, and it would be around 300 stairs which we will be covering, and on top of this hill there is a very beautiful temple.
Okay, we have started with the track here. I'm supposed to be trekking barefoot. Yogesh must have already started. Hey guys. One time, and we were both supposed to start at the same time. So I have with me Sonu, who would be recording the video as well. So my personal target is to do this under 10 minutes. As we have started this route now, doesn't seem to be as tough as I thought it would be.
It's a very nice place, guys. You can see we have almost reached the top. I hope we will win So it was a nice track, very fun, and I'm
And I
glad.
think we did it in under 10 minutes or so.
Yes, in 10 minutes we have a nice experience, and we have explored both the way. I have came from usual way, and let me tell you, usual way is very simple, provided you have a good physical fitness and stamina. But yes, Umesh has proved that even if you are coming from an unusual way, you can take similar time and complete this track. Umesh, would you like to say something?
This route is a bit lengthier comparatively, but it's not that steep as compared to the usual way that is from the steps. And we took the same time to reach the top, so that proves I was trekking barefoot, but still there were no thorns or any gravels on the way, so it was pretty easy. A piece of cake.
Take you to the temple as well. It's a very old temple, and I think it's a god of local people. What do you say?
So this is the Kul Devata of the local people from Lohegaon.
Yeah.
In the north, you can see this is the Pride World City.
Yeah.
Behind Pride World City will be Arandi, and behind that is Chakan area. A little bit to the left, this is Dhanori, and if you go further towards the south, those buildings are from Viman Nagar, and further to the left, this is Lohegaon, and towards the east is Wagholi. This hill would be about 3 kilometers from the Lohegaon bus stop, so it's pretty easily accessible these days. There's a road right to the base of this hill, so you can bring in your 2-wheelers or 4-wheelers if you want.
So guys, let me take you to the temple as well. It's a very beautiful temple. You must remove your shoes before going there. Temple, Khandoba temple, which is very popular over here.
This is the Khandoba Mandir. We'll step inside the temple. And you see there are quite a few idols kept over here. These would be the old idols. They have been replaced by the new idols in recent few years.
For achieving and first track to because the tie to
Yay!
goes to both of us.
Both of us, yeah.
A tie.
So me for winning the race.
Oh.
Have a bite, don't worry. At our first track is a tie. So see you in next face off. Take care.